Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to answer a popular question. How do I use the Apple Watch SE for exercises? So let's dive in. It's super easy to start a workout on your watch. For that, click on this digital crown to open applications on your watch and click on this person on the green background. Here, you would need to choose the type of workout that you would like to do. There is plenty of them. So, for example, I will pick indoor walk, click on it, and click OK. And the workout will start in 3 seconds. Here is it. The things that we can see right here is the time of workout, active calories, total calories, our heart rate, and how many meters have we walked. If we will swipe up, we can also see the move, exercise, and stand from the Circle app, and also we can scroll down to go back to the calories. And now, how to pause or end the workout. For that, swipe once right, and here you see this segment, pause and end. So you can pause your workout and then resume it again if you want to get some rest. And if you are done working out, simply click end and end workout. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.